Hello, this is Sandy McManus with needsaribbon.com. I'm bringing you another edition of Coffee Break, where in 15 minutes or less, we will make a card or other project. And here is our project for today, or card for today. Isn't that beautiful? It's so springy looking. I love that, the springiness of it, and it uses 3 of our InColors, which are going away this spring. So love them. Now, here, cheers. I forgot to do my cheers on my coffee break cup. So this project uses the Eden's Garden stamp set, and it uses the Coordinating Eden's dies. And like my other coffee break videos, the instructions will be at the end, so you'll have to pause to note that stuff. And everything that I've done is pre-cut and pre-scored already. So let's get started. So for this card, it uses the Magenta Madness base. So that'd be 5.5 by 8.5. And I'll use my lovely score tool. I thought I'd pre-scored it. I had not. And I'm getting off camera probably. And now we're going to use a white layer. So that's 4 and 5.25. But again, my instructions will be at the end. I'm going to put this away or aside. Otherwise, I will stamp it. And we're only using Magenta Madness ink. Again, giving that fresh, springy feel. My ink pad looks like it needs a little help. And we're gonna go and we're gonna stamp it off a little bit. So a little bit off the page. Give that a few seconds to kind of soak in. Perfect. And I have already pre-cut and stamped my greeting. I used hello there. There's some nice greetings in this set. Dear friend, how are you? I like that one. My heart is tied to yours. Tug if you need anything. Hello there. Sending hugs. Let's celebrate everything. Some really nice greetings in this set. And it has that, photo real look, the distinctive stamp for its images. So I'm going to put that away, or I'm going to drag my fingers through it. So for this, guess what? You could get 2 cards. I have a bunch of these stamped. 2 cards out of this little idea of cutting your paper. So this is cinnamon cider, and I have run it through. Now, because of the folder I used, you won't quite get 2. It just is not going to work that way because, excuse me, it has words on it. But other folders without words, I use the the folder will be at the end. It's the well-worn words, something like that. Timeless words folder. I'm stumbling. But when because you cut it in half and then you're going to rotate it this way, it's not going to work because the words will be upside down, and some super picky people may not like that. See, but if you chose a different folder and used this layout, it would work. And this die set has this great green leafy thing that comes super long. That's part of why I decided to do this. I'm like, I saw that long leafy piece and I'm like, we could make good use of that. And so I glued it on the back, and I just had to trim up that a little bit. So we're going to set that aside. See, you cut a piece that's 8 to 14, 6 inches long. That's a long die. And I've already lost where I need to be. I will do this. And we'll get that down. And as you can see, it goes up, so it's another layer. It doesn't go all the way into the corner. You could put it all the way in the corner if you want, but I like that white kind of border that is created by the sizes that I've chosen. So there's that. I think we can now Put that on our card base safely. Again, this is using the Eden's Garden and Eden's Dies, which are bundled. And you can bundle both and save 10%. I'm getting that down. I just love the fresh colors in this. I'm going to miss these colors. I'm really going to miss them because they go away soon, very, very soon, and I did not have enough dimensionals, so we're chopping up our sheet a little bit because I want to pop that up, and that's okay. If you've watched my videos before, you know I use the entire sheet for various things. Sometimes I'll save those little edgy pieces for special projects and just set them aside. Sometimes when I have too many sheets with all the little edgy pieces, then I'll pull them out and I'll just chop them up and use them one day. Okay, on this one I use the rhinestones, but for this one I'm going to use these new iridescent rhinestones. So we're still using rhinestones, just a newer rhinestone. I think these iridescent rhinestones are just beautiful. So, do we put them there or do we just randomize them? Let's randomize them. So we'll take a giant one. Maybe we'll put that there. God, that is big. And we'll take a medium one. Put it, I don't know. Maybe up in there. I don't know. Does it really matter? No, I'm just trying to create a visual triangle. That's really all I'm trying to do with that. And that is how simple that card is. So again, whether you like the layout, or maybe you like the cards, or maybe you just like the darn stamp set, Eden's Garden. I hope you enjoyed this project. And look at that. I think I like these better with it because it kind of picks up the colors better. The rhinestones look cute too. In any case, this has been Sandy McManus with needsaribbon.com. Stay tuned for your instructions. This has been your edition of Coffee Break.